flight, 250 remaining, bang! We are now tied at 101. The goal guy with a ball position here. Huwag kayong kukurak-kurak mga kapatid dahil ito na. The goal guy will get another. Consuming the time inside the paint. Ansari, naputata. Ito na pagkakataon ng Santa Maria. Tugit na rin. Santa Maria with the ball position here. And Uyas traveling. Nag-hesitate itong si Uyas dahil nasaraduhan. Itong si Muslimin. Humihingi sa ilalim pero natabunan kaya di naibigay ni Uyas. Dancing with the long shoes here. Ito si Kim. Natatawa. Natatawa si Kim. Ano kaya ang kalalabasan ng laro natin to? Sa gitna, the veteran. Wala! Ako ito. Ito na si Luka. Lulong pass. Short! Wala! Lumamig itong si asking for substitution. Mokhtar Sailon will come in. Malamig na. Lumamig itong si Milamia. 0 out of 4. After that rest from the bench. But already with 15 points across the stage with 3 3-pointers. Lumamig lang, no? Pero eto. Lako, 101 dito. Last 2 minutes na. Muslimin bubbles with the ball. Roberto. Kyrie Irving. The flight. Oh! Foul pa sa ilalim. Itong sila flight. Number 10 tinawagan. Luka Doncic. Nourishing with his. Doncic. Enricoso. 4th personal foul. Enricoso. 4th personal foul. Penalty. The flight. Oy! Sayang! The flight under pressure here. His composure is now being tested at the line. Yes, sir, giving the lead. 1-point lead for the NSA. Tingnan natin, already with 2 defeats. Goal guy. Will it be enough? Almost. Bigay man may Madriaga ko. Madriaga. Madriaga sa gitno. Nakuha niya. The flight. Ito na. 1-20. Kyrie. Over to Muslimin. He fakes. Inside. Nanakawan dito. Ito na, Mokti. Mokti Sailon. Nabitawan. Ito na. Ito na. Oh, tulong pa! Ito. Ito na naman. Biduya. Sa gitna. Ingay. Oh, wala. Nakul guy. Ito na. Wala nang bantay. Bang! Time out has been called for Santa Maria. Grabe. Hindi magkamayaw dito. 1-point lead. MJTC leading by 1. 43.7 seconds. 43. Ito mga kapatid, bakbaka na. 43. 43 seconds. What a big basket. Grabe ito, Santa Maria. Ang ingon. Pero lamang ang kalaman ng 1 point dito. 43 seconds. The MJTC leading by 1. Santa Maria with the ball position when we resume. They are down by 1. Ito ang tatay nitong si Ryle. Andito, nakatingin. Gustong tumulong. 43 seconds. Ito na. Ang score ang tinutulungan ditong tingnan. Dahil napakadikit.
Tingnan mo sila.
Third pa. MJTC is in penalty. SK Santa Maria, third team foul only. So they need to evaluate their teams. Eto na, the flight will save another precious seconds for his team. Uyas! Bam! What a big time there for Uyas! What a big play! Uyas giving his team with a lead. 28 seconds. Ito ang sari. Wow! What a block! What a block by Madriaga! Timeout has been called.
Time out.
8 to work with. 8 to work. 8 seconds. 20 sa game clock. 20 sa game clock. 8 to work. 8 sa shot clock. What a block by big young Madriaga Ryle. Ibang klase. Akala ko i-score doon ang MJTC. Wide open, but never give up attitude of Madriaga. Able to block that shot from behind, and it's good. His hard work has paid off. Don't look now. The MJTC down by 1. They are in penalty.
Last 20 seconds.
Santa Maria with 2 team fouls to give. 8 sa shot clock. Eto. Hindi natin alam kung sino mananalo dito. Sa ilalim. Nako, napitawan. Nakuha. Si Anoy. Oy, foul committed. Penalty. Penalty rep. Sayang. Maganda depensa ni Aladin doon. Aladin providing a tight defense against the veteran Patron, able to tap that ball away, and Patron having hard time to get the ball. Yes sir, good evening everyone. We are coming to you live from Santa Maria Gymnasium, bringing you the live coverage between your Santa Maria SK selection and your MJTC.
Oh, wala na.
Sila wala na?
Wala na.
Kabila? Lahat wala?
Hindi, meron pa dito isa.
MJTC, no timeout available?
Ay, bakit eh? Hey.
Sa kabila, meron pa?
Wala nang timeout.
Wala na. MJTC, no timeouts available. Santa Maria with 1 available.
Wala na.
SK selection with 1 available. Timeout. Nanon.
One timeout.
Naimot sa Santa Maria with 1 timeout available, while the MJTC with none. And MJTC in penalty, Santa Maria not yet. Kyrie Irving, yes sir! Ako, dalawang lamang dito. Last 15 seconds. Malakas! Ito na! 1.2. 1.2. What a big defensive play. Sino kaya ang good game nito? Tingin mo. Katag-katag kasi. Sino? Si The Flight? Si Aladin? Yung Adsal na mas bata? Maganda kasi depensa niya kanina. May score din. What a big basket by Muslimin. The two brothers converging to give his team a comfortable lead with 3 points lead. Pero 1.2. 1.2 is the remaining time. They are leading by 3. And time expires. Congratulations. Eto na, our choice player with 15 points, 7 rebounds, and 3 assists. Number none other than Aladdin the Flight! Hop! Dito! Nasaan na si Aladdin? Dali! Ansal! Dito sa gitna! Dali! Sa gitna tayo mag-usap! Dali dito! Okay! Aladdin! Sir, magandang gabi! Kanina, lamang ang kalaban ng 1 point, but you were providing a good defense against the veteran Patron. Anong naramdaman mo nung nasundot mo yung bola intended for Patron inside the paint?
Naging chance ay sulit yung bola dahil chance na manalo dahil yung bola.
So, anong pakiramdam mo kanina nung lamang ang MDPC? Last 43 seconds, they were leading by 1. And inyo ang bola. Anong ginawa ninyo pag-uusap during the timeout?
Hindi talaga mapaliwanag.
So, congratulations! Bagging your first win and our losing effort from the MGTC. They're giving their all, but still emerged defeat. They are second in this tournament. But anyway, congratulations up to the last seconds of this ball game. Napakagandang laban dito. Only free throws decided this game. So, good evening everyone. This has been your DJ Mario of 92.1 Radyo Katulangan, signing up for the first game scheduled within your SK selection. Their first win, 1 out of 2. 1 out of 3 games. Congratulations and good night everyone. Okay, yan ang mga tao dito, mga kapatid. Napakarami. Eto, huwag kayong aalis. The ERSM will face the Mighty Santa Clara team. Warm up! Eto na mga kapatid. And the winning team, there they are. The winning team. 1 out of 3. Isang panalo sa dalawang talo. So a much needed win for them delivered for today's ball game or tonight. Eto na mga kapatid. Thank you very much. Yeah. Okay. Congratulations for the ASCII selection for bagging their first win. Good night from Santa Maria Gymnasium. This has been your DJ Mario. 92.1 Radyo Katulangan. Once again, good evening. Bye.